Ever stared at a login screen, racking your brain for that obscure password you set months ago? Or maybe you've been frustrated by endless authentication steps, just wanting to get your work done. What if there was a simpler, more secure way to access your accounts, without the password headaches or the constant app switching? That's where the Expensify Magic Code comes in, and it's a game changer for how you interact with your Expensify account. Forget traditional passwords. The Magic Code is a core component of Expensify's approach to secure and seamless access, designed to simplify your login experience while keeping your financial data exceptionally safe. So, how does it work? When you go to log into your Expensify account, instead of entering a password, Expensify sends a unique, one-time magic code directly to the email address associated with your account. You simply retrieve that code from your email inbox and enter it into the Expensify login screen. This code acts as your temporary key, granting you access without ever needing to remember or type a complex password. But here's where it gets even more secure. For an added layer of protection, especially when two-factor authentication, 2FA, is enabled on your Expensify account, which we highly recommend, the Magic Code works in conjunction with an authenticator app. After entering the magic code from your email, you will then be prompted to enter a 6-digit code generated by your chosen authenticator app, like Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. These codes refresh every few seconds, making them incredibly difficult for anyone to compromise. This multi-factor approach ensures that even if someone gained access to your email, they still couldn't log into your Expensify account without also having access to your authenticator app. The benefits of the Expensify Magic Code are clear. First and foremost, it significantly enhances security. By eliminating the need for a static password, it removes the risk of common password-related vulnerabilities like phishing, brute force attacks, and credential stuffing. Even if there's a data breach elsewhere that exposes your email, your Expensify account remains secure because the Magic Code is constantly changing and sent directly to you. Secondly, it offers unparalleled convenience. No more forgotten passwords, no more frustrating password resets. The Magic Code streamlines the login process, making it faster and smoother. This is especially valuable for users who might access Expensify from multiple devices or locations. Finally, it's incredibly user-friendly. The process is intuitive and straightforward, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. You receive the code, you enter the code, and you're in. It truly simplifies the entire authentication experience. The Magic Code is also used in other situations within Expensify, such as when adding or changing contact methods or merging multiple Expensify accounts. It's a consistent and secure method for verifying your identity for critical account actions. In a world where digital security is more important than ever, Expensify's Magic Code provides a smart, secure, and convenient solution for accessing your financial data. It's a testament to how innovative authentication methods can protect your information without sacrificing usability. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.